it. Hold here for a few seconds. Now let's step by step release. Release the left leg first and then the right leg. Back to Dandasana. The next asana is Ardha Ustrasana. From Dandasana, bend both the legs to Vajrasana. And slowly come on the knees. Separate the legs slightly. And support the lower back with the palms. Now open the chest, inhale, push the hip forward and drop your head back if you're comfortable. Hold here for a few seconds. Keep breathing. And slowly come back to the center. Release the palms, knees back together, sit in Vajrasana. And step by step release the legs back to Dandasana. Ustrasana. First begin from Dandasana, moving on to Vajrasana. Stand on the knees and slightly separate the legs. Now place the right palm on the right sole of the foot and the left palm on the left sole of the foot. Inhale, push the hip forward and gently drop your head back if you're comfortable. Once sit down, slowly left palm on the abdomen. Roll on from the right side. Come up, knees together and sit back in Vajrasana. Slowly release the legs forward to Dandasana and relax. Next asana, Shashankasana or Adho Mukha Virasana. Let's start with Dandasana, taking the legs back one by one to Vajrasana and separating the knees. Now stretch both the hands forward and drop the forehead on the mat. Slowly lift the head up, bring the hands back, knees back. And slowly release the legs one by one to Dandasana. The next seated asana is Uttana Mandukasana. From Dandasana, gently get into Vajrasana. Spread the knees apart. Now raise the right arm, bring the right palm on the left shoulder blade and left palm on the right shoulder blade and sit here for a few seconds. Now slowly release the left hand and then the right hand. Bring the knees closer to Vajrasana and stretch the legs forward one after the other to Dandasana and relax. Going forward with Vakrasana. From Dandasana, bend the right knee, right hand behind the back. Now inhale and raise the left hand up and hook the left armpit over the right thigh. Look over the right shoulder and stay here for a few seconds. Now slowly step by step release and repeat the same thing on the left side. Make sure the opposite leg is active on the mat. Going forward with the prone posture. Base asana for all the prone postures is Makarasana. First bend both the elbows. Place the chin on top of the palms, palms facing down. Spread both the legs hip width apart, turning both the toes outwards respectively. Bhujangasana. From Makarasana, first bring the feet together. Place both the palms beside the chest. Now inhale and lift up. Look straight ahead, keeping the feet together. Now slowly exhale, drop the forehead down. And release the hands, release the legs back to Makarasana, Shalabhasana. From Makarasana, first bring the feet together. Place the palms under the hip, palms facing upward, chin down. Now inhale and raise both the legs up, keeping the feet together as much as possible. Take a few breaths and slowly release the legs. Release the hands back into Makarasana. Now let's start with the supine asanas. Setubandhasana. From Shavasana, bend both the legs at the knees, legs hip width apart. Now catch hold of the ankles with the respective hands. Inhale and lift your hip up as high as possible, bringing the chest closer to the chin. If holding the ankles is difficult, press the palms on top of the mat. Let's hold here for a few seconds. And as you exhale, let's slowly release the spine down, release the legs and the hands back into Shavasana. Uttana Padasana. From Shavasana, bring both the legs together, palms beside the hip. Engage the pelvic floor. Inhale and lift the legs up 45 degrees and hold here for a few seconds. Now as you exhale, slowly drop the legs down, hands back to Shavasana. Ardha Halasana. From Shavasana, bring the legs back together, palms beside the hip. Now inhale and raise both the legs up 90 degrees, perpendicular to the mat. Take a few deep breaths. Once we're done, exhale, bring the legs back on the mat and separate the hands to Shavasana. Pavanamuktasana. From Shavasana, bring the feet together, bend the knees and bring the knees closer to the chest and hug the thighs. Now exhale, bring the chin between the knees and hold here for a few seconds. Now inhale, drop the head down, release the legs back to Shavasana. Shavasana. Keep both the legs apart, toes pointed outwards, palms facing the ceiling, shoulders away from the ears, and eyes softly closed. Now make gentle movements in the toes, fingers.
आज पूरी दुनिया के साथ साथ मुल्क भर के अंदर अगर बात की जाए, आज इंटरनेशनल योगा डे मनाया जा रहा है। तमाम अगर जम्मू कश्मीर की बात की जाए, जम्मू कश्मीर के अंदर जो है आज इंटरनेशनल योगा डे भी मनाया जा रहा है। उसी के चलते जो है आज मैं मौजूद हूँ बिल्कुल जो है विजुअल जो आप GDC कुपवारा से आप देख रहे हैं। और यहाँ पे जो है जिला इंतजामिया की जानिब से भी जो है सुबह से जो लगातार यहाँ पे जो है चहल पहल देखने को मिली और योगा डे का जो इनेकाद किया गया है वो मनाया जा रहा है यहाँ पे। और बिल्कुल आप पीछे मेरे तस्वीरों में भी देख रहे होंगे कि यहाँ पे जो है इंटरनेशनल योगा डे आज मनाया जा रहा है। बिल्कुल मैं आपको बताता चलूँ कि जिस तरीके से अगर बारिश की बात की जाए, बारिश भी हो रही है। तहम अगर बात की जाए श्रीनगर से, प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जो है ICC श्रीनगर से इसमें जो है हिस्सा ले रहे हैं, वो वहाँ से लीड कर रहे हैं। तहम बारिश की वजह से थोड़ा बहुत हो सकता है डिले भी हुआ होगा, तहम उसके बावजूद जो है आपको मैं बिल्कुल तस्वीरें दिखा रहा हूँ GDC कुपवारा से। और यहाँ पे जो है जिला इंतजामिया कुपवारा की जानिब से अगर डिप्टी कमिश्नर कुपवारा या बाकी जो हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में जो ऑफिसर्स हैं वो और बच्चों ने जो है हिस्सा लिया, बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लिया और इंटरनेशनल योगा डे में जो है हिस्सा ले रहे हैं। आप मेरे सामने
Release the right thumb and exhale through the right nostril. Now repeat the same thing on the other side and continue for a few more rounds.